Hello there. How are you all doing? I hope by God's grace you're all doing well. If you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. So today on the menu, we are going to make roasted ripe plantain with peanuts. Alright friends, so let's go over the ingredients and get started. The first thing is ripe plantains, some olive oil, salt to taste, and some peanuts or groundnuts, as we may call it back in Ghana. Let's get started. Friends, for the peanuts, I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit, just a dash of the olive oil on it. Coat it very well, and then halfway in the oven, we'll sprinkle some salt water on it. So this is also going to go into the oven. You can also use an air fryer. I'm using an air fryer for this recipe. Alright, so peanuts is also ready. So friends, our air fryer has been lined with some parchment paper. We're just gonna go ahead and transfer the plantains. Friends, we're going to turn the other side for that to also cook. I wish you were here. This place smells so good. Alright. So we will put it back for a few more minutes. So friends, like I said, halfway, I'm going to sprinkle salt water. This is salt water I'm sprinkling on here. Be careful. You can omit this part if you do not care for the salt. Alright, so we'll put it back in the oven. Friends, this batch of the peanuts is going into my air fryer. Alright friends, our snack is ready. Please come, let's enjoy. Alright, so this is the peanut I put in the oven, and I'll show you the one I put in the air fryer. Okay, smells amazing. The plantains, look at the plantains. They look like they've been fried. And look at the peanuts too. And this drink is the PREKESE drink that I made. The link will be in the description box. You can drink it hot or cold. So that is what I'm having with my plantain and peanuts. This is the peanut I put in the air fryer. Okay, this is how they came out. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Bye.